Welcome to New Tech Solution. Today I gonna show you how you can take a drone shot without any drone. Okay, so something like this. Have a look. So if you like this kind of drone shot without any drone, just this video is for you. So first of all, we need to go to Google. Then we need to search Google Earth. Okay, so first one I can see Google Earth. I need to click that on. Then if you go to in Google, you can see first one said explore Google Earth, so you need to click that on. So you can see Google Earth is starting to open. Okay, so just wait bit. So you can see this is the Google Earth, it has already opened. Okay, so now you can see, maybe you can see the different page or something like that, but this is the Google Earth main page. But make sure you have the good internet connection. Without connection you can't get like perfect shot. Now you need to go to search and you need to search whatever you want. So I gonna search Mount Everest. Suppose I need to make any video on Mount Everest, so I gonna search that on. I gonna click that on. You can see it is finding the Mount Everest. Okay, so this is the Mount Everest. You can see the Mount Everest in here. So this is the top of Mount Everest. Okay, but I can see it's lots of writing is beside of that, because they are giving all the information in here. So I don't need that kind of information when I take the drone shot. Okay, so for that reason, what I need to do, I need to go to left hand side and I need to go to in here. It said map style. So I need to click map style. When I click map style, then I need to go to clean, no borders, labels, place or road. So I gonna click that on. You can see it's all gone now. So then I gonna go to map style again, and you can see it said nothing, only without Mount Everest I can't see anything in here. Okay, so now when you are happy with that, then you need to go to right hand side corner. If you come bit right hand side corner, before that you need to do one things. Make sure you are starting your screen recording, because if you don't take the screen recording, then you can't take the perfect video from here. So make sure your screen recording start from here. Okay, so when you start screen recording, then you need to go to right hand side corner. In here you see the 2D, just click that on, then it will take the position. Now you have to go to again to 3D, just click that on. You can see it has start recording as a drone shot. Have a look. So you are at home, but still you can see it is recording as a drone shot. Have a look how nice it is. It's really cool and awesome. So you don't need to go any particular place. You can take a drone shot from your home anywhere in the world. Okay, so if you are happy as many as like the length, as much as length you want, just keep that much and make sure your internet connection is good. Okay, so I keep this much, so that should be fine. Now what I need to do, I need to go to my video editor. Suppose I have my video editor is iMovie. So if you have any other video editor, you need to open the video editor. Okay, so when you open your video editor, you can see this is my video editor iMovie. So I can import media or I can drag and drop. Okay, so I gonna go to drag and drop to my timeline. So it's something like that. Then this is the whole video whatever I have taken, you see. So now I gonna right button click of my mouse, then I gonna detach the audio. I gonna delete the audio because I don't need this audio. I gonna put maybe something else. So if you need, you can put any kind of like the music or whatever. Okay, now you need to select what part you want to keep for your video. Okay, so suppose I gonna start in here. I gonna see, so this is the video. Suppose I gonna pause in here, something in here. Yep, then I gonna click and split the clip. I gonna delete back side because I don't need that part. Then I gonna start again. Then I can see it's look like perfectly going the drone shot, taking very nice way. Okay, if I make it bit bigger, I can see properly. Okay, so it's continuing. So it's depend how long the length you want to take. Okay, so maybe I gonna take 30 second or 35 seconds, something like that. So then I gonna start. So suppose now is 32, I gonna hold in here, then I gonna split the clip, and I'm gonna delete this side, so I don't need that side. Okay, so now you can see on the left hand side and in the corner and everywhere something, some symbols, some writing is there. So actually I don't need that, so I need to remove that. So I need to select the clip, then I need to go to crop option, then set the crop to fill. I need to select that one, then I need to adjust it, what, which part I want to take only for the my clips. Okay, so I gonna take that part, so where is no writing, no symbol, nothing. Okay, so when you are happy with that, then make sure you have nothing on the crop option, then you go and click just in here, you can see it's all cropped. Now I'm gonna make it bit bigger and I'm gonna see, have a look. So this is look like my video, it's no writing, nothing, and it's look like very smoothly they have taken like the drone shot from top of the Mount Everest. Okay, so when you are happy with everything, so yeah, something like that, then you need to go to export your video. So how you can do that, I'm gonna show you that one as well. So that's how you can get a perfect clips for your video. Okay, so now I am going to, in the corner, you can see the corner. Okay, just I need to click in here. Okay, so it said export files, so I'm gonna click that on. It said resolution, so make sure you need to give the very good resolution. So it's a 1080p recommended, but I'm gonna go to 4K. 4K is more better resolution. So when you get the 4K selected, then you go to next, then you need to give to your file name. Suppose I put Mount Everest. Okay, so then I am going to set where I'm gonna put in the desktop. Okay, so then save. So it takes maybe 30 to 20 seconds, so it depends how big is your clips. Okay, so it's exporting, almost done. It's done. Okay, so it already export to my computer. Okay, so you can see it's just in here, Mount Everest. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see how it's look like. Is it perfectly recorded and everything? Did you see how nice it is? So it's very simple and easy. Now have a look. They took like the smoothly drawn shot from top of the Mount Everest. Okay, so this is the easiest way to take a drone shot from your home without any drone. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Thank you so much. See you then. Bye bye.